Hi! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make stuffed mushrooms. First, gather your ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your baking tray by brushing it with olive oil. Make sure to clean your mushrooms. Then, remove the stems from your mushrooms and chop them. Line your mushroom caps on the baking tray. Now it's time to cook. Melt your butter in a skillet on medium heat. Add your mushroom stems and cook until most of the moisture is gone, about 5 minutes or so. Add your minced garlic and keep mixing until it's fragrant. Add the breadcrumbs and keep mixing until the breadcrumbs are lightly toasted. Add salt and pepper to taste. Remove your mixture from heat and put it in a bowl. Add your parsley, thyme, and parmesan to your mushroom stem mixture. Mix away. Now, stuff the mushroom caps with your mixture like so. Baking time! Stick your mushrooms in the oven for 20 minutes or so. Take your mushrooms out of the oven when ready. You can garnish your mushrooms with extra cheese or parsley. Enjoy!